Hey guys, so I'm filming outside today because kind of bored, and I want to make a video. And yeah, it's actually kind of really early in the morning. You can see there, it's 5:49. You can see that. I was thinking of just doing a quick relay of my 2x2 and 3x3. Alright, I'm going to start with my 2x2. Alright, let's begin. Yeah, I stuck with 2x2. And the camera's right in my face, so it's really hard to actually see the cube. Let's go there. That's 2x2 finished. Let's do 3x3 now. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry, it's really early in the morning, I'm just really tired. I'm like really bored, so I decided to make a video. This cube's kind of crap, but it's the only 3x3 I have at this moment. Almost done. Ugh, God. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's beginning to rain. Alright, let's finish this off quick. Shit. So yeah, it's both my cubes. Alright, that's just about it.